Caterpillar offers various upgrade kits for every machine, many of which you can install yourself. These kits can increase versatility as you move from job to job and season to season and help modernize older equipment. Let's look at how to install a front guard for your cab. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Today, we're working on a Cat 317 hydraulic excavator. Installation should be similar on your equipment, but contact your Cat dealer for specific instructions. First, move your machine to a dry, level surface. Lower implements to the ground, lock out the hydraulics, and turn off your equipment. Remove any installed light assemblies because you'll be using the same bolt holes. Install the assembled support pieces in both upper corners of the window. Also install the brackets in the lower two corners. Make sure to tighten the bolts on the side of the brackets as well. Then screw the knobs onto the latch handle. To install the gas springs, bolt the top of the spring in the hole near the center of the window. You will attach the bottom to the guard once it's in place. Install the stopper found on the inside of both brackets and finish tightening the bracket. Next, using proper lifting equipment, raise the guard into place and rest it on the support mechanism at the top. Insert the shaft and tighten with lock nut and washer. Now you can attach the bottom part of the spring to the guard and fully lock the bottom in place. While tightening the guard, test the latch lever by pushing it down to make sure it works. Finally, reattach your lights in front of the guard. For maintenance parts and upgrade kits, you can order everything you need at parts.cat.com. Enter your machine serial number to order the parts specific to your equipment. For more information and support, contact your Cat dealer. And always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.